Hello everybody, welcome to Dude with a Fork. My name is Ken. Got something special for you today. We are doing some food reviews. So I've picked up a few convenience items for lunch. Let's see what we think of the first one. So on today's episode of Ken Tries Stuff, we are trying the Maruchan Instant Lunch. This is lime chili flavor with shrimp. These were 55 cents. It's ramen noodle soup, and it's marked hot and spicy. We will see. We will be the judge of that. 2.25 ounces or 64 grams, because this is all dehydrated stuff, and including, and I'm going to talk about these ingredients later. I'll probably put it up in a Patreon post or something, but it does include somewhere around here vegetable oil, dehydrated vegetables. Oh, right there. Freeze-dried shrimp. So it does have freeze-dried shrimp in here. Serving size is 1 container, 290 calories, 12 grams of fat, because I think these ramen noodles are deep fried and then dehydrated. 50% of your daily sodium intake. That's just a huge amount, but you do get 2 grams of fiber for all of that. So the cooking directions say to fold back the lid halfway, fill the inside line with boiling water, and the kettle just did come to a boil. You close the lid securely and let it stand for 3 minutes, and then you remove the lid, stir thoroughly, and enjoy from the cups. So this comes apart at the bottom here, and what you have is a styrofoam cup. Get that out of here. That is wrapped in plastic, shrink wrapped plastic, presumably to keep this fresh. And there are the cooking directions again. Fold back lid halfway, in case you're the kind of person that rips the cardboard off and throws it away, and you're like, oh no, I don't know how to make this. So that's halfway. That's what it looks like. There you can smell the freeze-dried shrimp in there, and there they are. When I've been to Mexico, most grocery stores have freeze-dried seafood in them. That's what it looks like right there. It's amazingly lightweight. It doesn't really feel very heavy. And here's the peas and peppers, maybe carrots. I don't know. We'll find out. So I'm going to get the kettle. And this did say boiling water to the inside line. And the inside line, if you can see it, is right there. So this is going to take rather a lot of water. And I hope I have enough in the kettle because I made coffee earlier. Oh, yep. There it is. Okay, so put the lid back and keep it there. That'll keep it down. We'll be back in 3 minutes. All right, so it's been 3 minutes, and now we just take the lid off, and whoa, of course these things don't come off all the way like you would like them to. Okay, wow, so that looks very different. Everything has been soaked up nicely, and it smells of shrimp. There's a decided shrimp smell to it. So I'm thinking ramen noodles, so I grabbed a fork. I'm going to go grab a spoon real quick. I did get a napkin at least, so I can set things on there. All right, so here we are with a spoon. I just want to go in and try some of this broth, because this is half your day's sodium intake, and I want to see how salty this tastes. Oh. Excuse me. That is hot and spicy. I wasn't expecting it to be that spicy. It's a good spicy. I taste the spice. I taste the lime. Ooh. So let's see what these vegetables are like. Here are a couple of peas. They taste like freeze-dried vegetables that have been reconstituted. I'm thinking these little square things are carrots. Well, we shall see. They're tough. So eat those last. They probably take more than 3 minutes. So, well, the spice is there, and I love spicy food, but this hits you right in the back of the throat. So, here's a shrimp. Let's go for it. It's chewy. Now this is dehydrated shrimp. It's freeze-dried, right? Yeah, freeze-dried shrimp. And so, just letting it sit in for 3 minutes in boiling water is probably not enough to really get it super rehydrated. It's okay. It does have a very strong shrimp flavor. It has a strong seafoody flavor. Yeah. Yeah. It's not bad, but it's not good either. It's not pleasant. And honestly, if I taste the rest of this, there's so much spice. I don't really taste any of the. I don't really taste anything else. It's that spicy. So I'm going to just try some of these noodles just on their own and see what they're like. They're tender. They're pretty much flavorless. So, they're not bad, but again, they're just not good. So, you know, how many calories were in here? 290. So, if this were your only source of sodium for the day, you would be doing okay. Let's see again. I mean, it's definitely spicy. So yeah, chili flavor, yeah, I can taste it. Shrimp are not great. But again, I paid 55 cents for this. So, this is, I guess if I paid like 75 cents, I'd probably be disappointed. But yeah, so I'm going to eat this for lunch today. And we'll see how I feel at the end of the day. It's not bad. It's just not good. So here's the question. How do we rate these? Well, let's talk about truth in advertising. They actually look like the picture on the box, so they get a star for that. Let's talk about convenience. All you need to do is add boiling water. And boiling water can be hard to come by in some places, like at work. But I think if you just added a lot of hot water and just let them sit for longer than 3 minutes, it would still work. So we're going to give them a star for that. Flavor. Well, they were spicy. I didn't really taste much in the way of lime, and the shrimp wasn't the greatest, and the vegetables didn't taste like anything. It wasn't bad, but it wasn't good, so it's a pass on the flavor. Now, as far as nutrition is concerned, that bowl, which is only 290 calories, so you're going to eat a lot more food in the day, that's half of your daily sodium, so that's a hard no on that one. And as far as cost is concerned, it's 55 cents. You pretty much get what you pay for, but you can't beat 55 cents, so we're going to give it a star. So the total score that we're going to give it is 3 out of 5. But the big question is, even though it's basically got a D- score here, is would we buy it again? And the answer to that is no. It's just not enjoyable. And that's it, folks. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, please like or subscribe. If you have any thoughts on this, if you've tried these yourselves, would love to hear a comment. I've got one more package of these that I'm going to try, and I'll try to get that video up in the next couple of days. So until then, thank you so much again for watching. Stay safe, eat healthy things, and power to the proletariat. We'll see you next time.